Hi friends, welcome to Yoga Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain top 10 key responsibilities of delivery manager role in the agile or non-agile software development organization. Let's understand the details now. Delivery manager will focus on these responsibility areas. One is end-to-end delivery ownership. Second is client relationship and stakeholder management. The third is program and portfolio governance. And the fourth area is financial and commercial management. The next one is resource and capacity management. The resource will come under human resource as well as the software resources. Risk issues and dependency management, people leadership and performance management, process excellence and continuous improvement, quality assurance and compliance. The last one is strategic alignment and organization contributions. So these are all key responsibilities of the delivery manager. We will get into each and every item in detail to understand better. The first area is end-to-end delivery ownership. Delivery manager will own the delivery across the full life cycle of the software development, starting from the requirement gathering to production and the post-production support. Delivery manager will ensure that the scope, cost, schedule, and quality are met as per the agreed expectations from all the stakeholders. Delivery manager will act as the single point of accountability person between the business, clients, and delivery teams. So this is the first ownership area for the delivery manager. The second one is client relationship and stakeholder management. Delivery manager will work with the senior client leaders and also governance related activities that involves compliance, legal, and reviews. Delivery manager will handle the client escalations, conflicts, and expectation misalignment proactively by working with the various stakeholders in the organization. And another responsibility in the client relationship is driving the customer satisfaction and renewal of the licenses and growing the account of the product, okay, by providing more offers to the customer and getting more people to the product. So this is another key responsibility of the delivery manager. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Third key responsibility of the delivery manager is program and portfolio governance. So delivery manager will establish the governance framework like steering committee, who are all part of that, what would be the frequency of the meetings, what data will be discussed, etc. Delivery manager also will define the KPI for the entire organization, mainly in that person's division, and what are the dashboards we need to have it to give the report to various stakeholders, including business, leadership team, etc. Delivery manager will also track the program level health. So project managers, agile project managers, scrum masters will focus on their projects or one or two projects. Delivery manager will ensure that these governing the overall program or the portfolio. So it's a bigger role. So at that level, the schedule variance, cost variance, and risk exposure, all those things will be managed by the delivery manager. And delivery manager will also ensure that the compliance at the organization level and the contracts with the vendors are following this standard and ensuring that whatever the agreed thing is followed by all the stakeholders. So this is another key responsibility of the delivery manager. The fourth area is financial and commercial management. The delivery manager will own the profit and loss, margins, cost optimization initiatives, etc. for the portfolio. Delivery manager will also work on the forecasting the revenue, managing the billing, controlling the operational expenses. Operational expenses, the day-to-day activities expenses like softwares and whatever the things needed to run the project. And delivery manager will also support the pricing strategy, change request management. If something comes from the customers, how to handle it, what would be the process to handle that. Usually we will have the change control board, etc. And also if anything agreed and need for the change, and the delivery manager will do the contract negotiation with the various stakeholders, mainly in terms of the cost and the budget. The fifth area is Resource and capacity management. Delivery manager will plan the resources needed across the projects. What are the skills we need to develop? And then working with the HR to hiring the people, rotating the people across the division or across the projects, upskilling the people based on the industry need or the project need. And also delivery manager will manage the bench utilization, minimizing the delivery dependencies with the people risk. So we'll ensure that we have the backup resources, people trained well to handle the risk and also the future needs. So this is another aspect and the focus area for the delivery manager in terms of resources and capacity management. The sixth area is risk issue and dependency management. Delivery manager will identify the risk, assess the risk, whether it's high risk or medium risk or low risk, and also mitigate all those things without impacting the delivery. And delivery manager will focus on identifying the technical risk, operational risk, relation risk, everything. And also delivery manager will manage the risk proactively and the dependencies with the third party vendors as well. In terms of any crisis situation, if something goes wrong, any major escalation happened, if the product is down, so those times and delivery manager will jump in and manage the crisis and having the recovery plan and also mitigation plan immediately and the control plan for the future. So this is another major responsibility of the delivery manager. The seventh area is people leadership and performance management. And delivery manager will set the goal and coach the project managers, scrum master, tech leads, and architects to deliver the expectation and also setting the goal. And delivery manager will conduct the performance reviews, doing the goal setting, career development discussion for the entire division. So this person will cascade the details to this next level manager, so that the managers will cascade to the team members. And the delivery manager will ensure that people were engaged and the retention actions were taken and the team members are groomed to take up the leadership role in the organization. So these are all the focus area for the delivery manager in terms of developing the people and conducting the performance appraisal. Hope this is clear. Let's get into the eighth area. Eighth area is process excellence and continuous improvement. And the delivery manager will decide which framework will work for the particular project based on the team maturity, product needs, and customers or stakeholder expectations. So delivery manager will suggest to decide whether we need to go for agile, simple scrum way of working, safe or hybrid or waterfall, whatever is appropriate to deliver the project in the right way in terms of good quality, within the cost, within the budget, and within the timeline. And the delivery manager will always working with all the team members, managers to improve the process efficiency based on the data captured from the retrospective meetings and the data derived from the metrics, insights derived from the metrics, and the lessons learned document received from all the projects. Okay. Delivery manager will ensure that all those things were studied and converted into action plan for future improvements. Delivery manager will also establish the standard practices across the project, across the accounts in terms of collecting the metrics, how we need to report it, the standard formats, and what are the process we need to derive, what are the metrics we need to deliver, what would be the frequency of communicating the data, and standardizing the tools, dashboards. All those things will be focused and owned by the delivery manager in terms of enabling the process excellence and the continuous improvement. So hope this is clear. Now let's understand the ninth focus area for the delivery manager. Quality assurance and compliance. Delivery manager will define the quality benchmarks and the acceptance criteria. So for each quality metrics, for example, production defects, UAT defect, system defect. So each organization will define the standard. For example, 99%, 100%, 95%. Then defining the category of the bugs. When can we say that is the critical bug? When can we say that this is a medium bug? So delivery manager will work with the various stakeholders to define that as well. Delivery manager will also ensure that security standard, data privacy, regulatory requirements, all those things were considered and followed by the team. So the standard process, everything will be communicated by the delivery manager to all the teams, and to define that, delivery manager will coordinate with various stakeholders like security experts, QA experts, regulatory compliance, data team, etc. And if any audit comes, and also prepare for the audit, delivery manager will take the key responsibility and the leadership. The audits in terms of ISO, CMMI, client audits, or etc. So this is another major focus area for the delivery manager in terms of quality assurance and compliance. The next one is strategic alignment, organization contribution. This is the very important role of delivery manager. So delivery manager will work with the clients and the top leadership to align the organization goal and business goal with the delivery goals. So whatever the business is expecting and whatever the expectation coming from the top leadership will be cascaded and updated with the project deliveries. And here delivery manager will work with the pre-sales team and create the RFPs and also shaping the solution for the product. And the delivery manager will be the change agent to transform the new initiatives into the new offering. For example, if any new idea proposed or any new problem reported by the stakeholders, delivery manager will convert this as a POC or new project proposal that can be done and showcased. The same thing will be converted into the potential project in the future. So this is the another area of the delivery manager to create the new opportunity and the new project pipeline. So this is another important responsibility of the delivery manager. So hope this is clear, and if you are looking for any one-on-one coaching for Scrum Master, Agile Project Manager, Delivery Manager, Release Train Engineer and Agile Coach roles, please contact this number and WhatsApp number, or send a mail to this email ID, and I will be happy to help you and coach. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. We'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.